What is the difference between US and Indian healthcare? Suppose, Leela is suffering with some symptoms and visit to the doctor's office in India. The doctor will treat Leela's symptoms, and after all the treatment, the doctor's office will provide the bill for the service. Leela will pay her bills with the doctor's office before getting discharged. Leela will get happy discharged after her treatment is complete. Now if Leela go to the doctor's office in USA to get the treatment for her symptoms. First, she will go to the doctor's office. Then, she will go to the insurance desk and show all the required insurance documents, where hospital staff will check the policy and schedule her visit. After that, Leela will get all the treatment she needs to resolve her symptoms and get the happy discharge from hospital after all her treatment done. If you closely observe the process, you can see there are two stakeholders in Indian healthcare. One is doctor or hospital and second is patient. So all patient will get treatment from hospital or doctor, and at the time of discharge patient will pay their bills and the process will end here. But in US healthcare, with the patient and physician or hospital, we can see one more stakeholder, and that is insurance company. Here, the patient will get the discharge after all the treatment performed, and the doctor will claim the services provided towards patient to the insurance provider. Insurance company is already getting premium from patient to active the policy selected. After checking all the documents, insurance company reimburse the amount to the provider or hospital for the service. I hope you understand the very basic difference between both the healthcare systems. We'll see another important topic in next video. Please add in comment box which topic you want next. Thank you and happy coding.